Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm at it again. I am experimenting, but I can't take credit for this because there was another artist. She's relatively new, and I'm going to link her channel. I can't remember her name right now, but I'll put it up on the screen here. So I'm trying to make permanent violet dark. This has been discontinued. I swear it has, because we can't find it anywhere. I don't think it's coming back. So anyhow, I will mix this up. This is a 5-ounce cup. There's about 2 ounces of quinacridone magenta in here. Now I just put a 1/4 teaspoon of the Anthricrinome Blue. And this is getting hard to find now too. I do have a source. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit down of, because I don't want to waste the golden. I do have some permanent violet dark. I've been able to find it on eBay. There we go. So let's look at this. And then once we create it, now this is definitely too light. So I'm going to put another 1/4 teaspoon. The blue you have to be really skimpy on, because you can go too far. It's really strong, and it's you don't need a lot. Thank God, because it's expensive. All right, so I'm mixing that up. So now that is a 1/2 teaspoon to 2 ounces. Still not there. We've got a ways to go. It's probably a teaspoon. So that was what did we say that was? 1/4, that's a 1/2 teaspoon. This is 3/4 of a teaspoon. Oh geez Louise, what am I doing? This needs to go in here. There we go. So this will make 3/4 of a teaspoon. Just doing a 1/4 teaspoon at a time, just to check it out. The gal who has her video, she's got like 500 subscribers, so I would love for you guys to go over and check out her channel. She's got some amazing artwork too. Too bad I didn't write her name down before I started videotaping. Okay, that's getting close. Well, you look at that. But it still needs to be. Oh my goodness. I think this is it, guys. So that was 2 ounces to 3/4 of a teaspoon of, I wonder if we should make it 1 whole teaspoon. Let me just mix this up a little bit more. Make sure it's all mixed up. Wish I had a jar to show you, but I don't. Okay. What do you think? By George, I think we've got it. I don't think it's any more blue than this. I'm gonna let this dry. See what it looks like dry. And then we'll compare. There might be just a little bit more blue in here, I'm not sure. Let me take that off. That wasn't completely mixed up. So I just wanted to get some ratios down. Her video was all about, oh geez, not on here. Oh, yes, it is. It's P60 is Anthricrinome. And it might not have it on here. Pigment, PR122. So these two make Permanent Violet Dark. I'm just wondering, is this still too red? It might be. What do you guys think? Put a new work surface down again. This is like my fourth one, but the dark was just, first of all, it was resin. It scratched to hell. It was kind of claustrophobic in here. So once I put the white down, it just opened everything up and made everything brighter. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I'll come back in a bit. Okay guys, we're gonna play a little game. So I have three different colors, three different brands mixed up. I'm going to do a small little test tile, like a ring pour or a straight pour on these with these colors. I want you guys to guess which one is the golden permanent violet, the real one. I also wanted to show you, to get the, I take a utility knife and I scrape the bejeebas out of my my paints so I can get every last drop. So I had, where did it go? Here it is. I just purchased some of the Liquitex Professional Heavy Body Acrylics. I've seen a lot of reviews online and it all looked great. I wanted to try them out. So I have, this is deep turquoise mixed up and it's 2-to-1 ratio with Floetrol. And these are all mixed up 2-to-1 ratio with Floetrol. I think this one's a little bit more. Let me see here. I need to get my water. I want to make them all, the consistencies all the same. What do I do with my water? Oh, there it is. All right, so I have these two colors and I also have some of my cloud pour mix, the pearl mix, and I just added a little bit of extra paint to make it a little thicker. So, and then there's this one, and then there's this one. So I'm going to put a little pearl in this white as well, just to see what it would do. I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom. These are very small tiles, 4-inch tiles, so it's not going to require a whole lot of paint. I'm going to put the turquoise next. Oops, that's why I made more turquoise, duh. Okay, and then I'm going to put the Permanent Violet Darks right next to it. Oh, jeez. I cannot, yeah, I can't keep I try not to be messy, but for some reason shit happens at my house. Okay, so we have those three. I'm going to put a little bit of white in. And then top it off with a little turquoise. And I'll probably do a big one later. Maybe with these colors, maybe not. So they're all the same as far as layering and paints. All right, so I'm gonna start with the one on my left, your right. Well, there's not a whole lot of white in there, is there? Okay, then the center one. And then you guys tell me which one is which. Well, I haven't told you what the secret one is. And then, oh, do I have all my lights on? I don't think so. There we go. That's better. I love that color combination. Oh, geez, look what I did. Oh, well. This is just for testing purposes. I'm gonna let them sit there for a while. I'm gonna turn you on time lapse and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I don't know if I was the best at pouring these. I mean, obviously there are going to be no two paintings the same, but I don't know if the consistencies might have been off at first, so I re-poured those, and then I wanted to see what the cloud effect would look like on it. And so which one do you like the best, and which one do you think is the golden permanent violet dark? They were all three, or up. This was one paint, this was one paint, this was one paint. So these are all the same paints. And I will let you know that this is here. Okay. And this is here. And our mix is here. So I really can't tell too much of a difference between those two. Well, it's really hard to tell because this one has more purple, or more permanent violet dark on it. This one, I stretched it out too much, but it looks like the same color. So I think I'm going to do a painting with this, and I think I might go with that, with the cloud mix. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope I did this right. I mean, I know these are the colors, but did I do a good enough job testing them? It's really hard. It's hard. I maybe should have not put the white in, or put a different color in, or that blue just kind of took over, and I didn't put enough white in this one, and blah, 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 whatever. But to me, oh, I forgot to show you this too. This is the one I made with the magenta and anthricrinome. This is the permanent violet dark. So I don't think there's too much of a difference, really. And then this one, this little guy here, he's a transparent, and he is Anthricrinome Blue Violet. So it's he's kind of close too, but he's since he's really transparent, it's difficult to make a comparison, because this is more of a, this is an opaque, this is an opaque, this is a semi-opaque. So there we go. And I'm going to link that video to the different knowing your pigments, and it was really instructional for me. I was like, wow, you go girl. She rocked. What a smart cookie. Which one did you guys vote for? Which one did you think was the golden? This one, or this one? This one, or this one? Put it in the comments. Let me know. Talk to you soon. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.